If you use Microsoft Word often, knowing how to insert a symbol can save you a lot of time. Whether you need a copyright sign, a degree symbol, a check mark, or any special character for school, work, or content creation, Word makes it simple once you know where to look. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest way to insert a symbol in Microsoft Word, step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips and tricks. All right, let's jump in. First, open your Word document and place your cursor exactly where you want the symbol to appear. This is important because Word will insert the character right where your cursor is blinking. So before you do anything else, click into the document and make sure the insertion point is in the correct spot. Next, look at the top ribbon and click the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where Word keeps a lot of useful tools for adding content to your document, including pictures, shapes, links, and symbols. Once you're in the Insert tab, move toward the right side of the ribbon and look for the Symbol option. Click Symbol and you'll usually see a small menu appear with a few common characters and recently used symbols. This is often the fastest way to insert something simple. If you see the symbol you want in that list, just click it once, and Word will place it directly into your document at the cursor location. If the symbol you need is not showing in the first list, don't worry. In many versions of Microsoft Word, you can click More Symbols or open the full symbol gallery to browse additional options. This gives you access to a much wider range of characters, including punctuation symbols, special letters, currency signs, mathematical symbols, and more. Once the full symbol window opens, you can scroll through the available characters and click the one you want. Word will usually highlight the symbol before inserting it. After selecting it, click Insert, and then close the window when you're done. That's it. Your symbol will now appear in the document. If you need to insert the same symbol again later, Word often remembers your recently used symbols, which makes the process even faster the next time. So if you're working on a document with repeated special characters, you can come back to the symbol menu and insert them with just a couple of clicks. A helpful tip is to make sure you know the exact symbol you want before opening the menu. That way you can move quickly instead of searching through the list for too long. Also, if you use certain symbols frequently, it may be worth learning the keyboard shortcut for them. But for most users, the Insert tab and Symbol menu is the easiest method. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to insert a symbol in Microsoft Word using the built-in Symbol tool. It's a simple feature, but it can make your documents look more professional and save you a lot of time. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.